Hey boss, how are you?
Very good.
I want to get a haircut.
Huh?
I want to get a haircut. Do you know where I can go?
Where?
Haircut.
Barber?
Yeah, barber. Do you know any barber?
Where is the barber?
You tell me. I'm not from Manila. Can you tell me?
I know exactly sino may barber sa Manila.
Anywhere close? Let's see.
Dito close.
Okay, let's see. Alright, thank you, man. Hey, don't worry about it. Hey, salamat. Get my face mask on. Hello, how are you?
Hi. Kumusta?
Kumusta? No. You speak English or no?
No.
Okay, this is gonna be fun.
Tagalog.
I speak no Tagalog.
Yo. You
Zero.
speak in Tagalog?
Zero.
Little?
Zero.
Zero?
Zero.
Patay tayo dyan. What's your haircut?
Do you remember what the guy got?
Sarang doon yung na zero yung ide.
Ano okay? Salamat. Zero tapos yung taas.
Abi sana na ako.
Ano sa ito sa to?
Pinawasan ko masana. So zero ko baga dito ako dito.
Trim.
Yeah. Yeah.
Right?
Yeah, but whatever that guy got.
This one.
Um,
Same? No.
Up to you. Okay, sure.
Same?
No shave, no shave.
No.
Line. Maybe clean.
Ninisin lang ng
Side?
kuya.
Yeah.
Here, same.
Yeah.
Okay.
Alright, cool.
And you're here for work or no?
Yeah. So I have two companies. I have a Filipino virtual assistant. So I met her for the first time today. I just came to Philippines today.
You
yeah.
arrived today?
Yeah, I arrived today from Singapore.
Oh, from Singapore.
Yeah.
Singapore.
Yeah. So I was there yesterday, and then I came to Philippines today.
Is it your first time here in the Philippines?
Yeah, it is. I've never been here before.
Okay. How is it so far?
I'm loving it. It's like a movie. It feels like a movie.
But you were born and raised in?
I was born in a place called Fiji. Do you know Fiji?
Yeah.
Yeah, I was born in Fiji. I'm here solo.
It's more fun and liberating.
Exactly, and you don't get to meet people like this.
That's true.
I wanna go see the craziness though. I wanna see a crazy part of Manila.
Tonight is Saturday night. You should go to Poblacion in Makati.
Oh really?
Yeah.
Alright, I'll go there tonight.
It's very near, like less than 2 kilometers away.
Alright, I'll try it out.
That's where the fun and the party happens in Makati.
Are you gonna be there?
I might. It's Saturday,
Okay.
so.
Alright, if you're there, we'll have a
You
beer.
don't want to waste your weekend night, so.
If you're there, we'll have a beer, okay?
Okay.
Okay. Hey Ram, can you do me a favor? Can you ask the uncle how long he's been cutting hair? Can you ask him how long he's cut hair for?
How long?
Yeah.
Kuya, gano'n daw katagal yung yung paggupit sa kanya haircut.
30 years.
30 years, I can tell. It shows.
Yeah, he's been
Experience.
cutting hair for 30 years.
Do you know how old I am? I'm 30.
30 years old.
Yeah, 1992. No, this guy knows what he's doing, I can tell.
You're young.
How old are you?
You wanna guess?
I thought you were younger than me.
No, I'm 32.
Get the what? You got more hair than me.
33. Be careful with your gadgets.
That's alright. I think everywhere you go, if you're just nice, you have a smile on your face.
Yeah, it happens everywhere, but yeah.
And if you're just respectful,
Yeah.
it's fine. Like, you'll be fine everywhere. You just gotta be respectful.
And we have a lot of Indians here in Manila, so.
Really? Okay, cool. I've seen a few actually.
Do you love Indian food? No.
Yeah, but I eat it all the time at home. So.
Mom's cooking, huh?
Yeah, Mum's cooking.
The best.
Dude, this is a fresh fade, man. This guy's damn good.
You get to have a very nice haircut in less than $2 Australian. So.
Yeah. I don't know how much it is. I didn't even ask.
Magkano na magugit niya, kuya? 60. It's just 60 pesos. That's just around a dollar.
Really?
Like $1 US. And
It's two.
no,
$2.80.
$1 is
Yeah, you're right. $2 US or $1
Two
US dollar.
Australian dollars.
Yeah, $2 Australian.
And how much is it in Sydney? I mean, a haircut.
Oh, bro. With a shave,
Yeah. With
50.
$50.
Yeah.
What the fuck?
This guy knows exactly what he's doing, man.
You like it so far?
I feel like I'm getting my hair cut by a master.
He's been doing it for 30 years, so.
Where are we right now? Like, what part of Manila is this?
San Andres, Bukid, Manila.
Okay. And what's the name of the barber shop?
Ano daw name ng barbershop?
Nichols, barbershop.
Becole's Barbershop.
B. Cole's Barber Shop. Okay. Alright, B. Cole's Barber Shop in, what was the area again, sorry?
San Andres. Bukid.
San Andreas, B. Cole Barber Shop. And this guy is, no joke, he's a master. We'll see how it looks at the end, but I reckon he's a master.
Not a few words.
Yeah, definitely.
Ibawat mo na doon sa... Quezon din, malawak. Pero parang mas malawak ang dito.
Full. Mabdi. Mabdi.
Oh man, new man. Alright, this we don't get in Sydney.
The massage?
Yeah.
Ano, sure na, exam ko to ha?
Apo.
So thank you so much, man.
Yes, welcome. Thank you very much.
Thank you. Thank you for letting me film.
Yes. Thank you.